Good morning, children. Jayada speaking. Today we will start exercise 7.2, the questions on congruence criteria. We have already discussed about the criteria of congruency. 4 criteria we have already discussed: side, 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 side angle, side angle, and right angle, hypotenuse, and one side. These 4 criteria we will use now in our maths. Question number 1. Which congruence criteria do you use in the following? Here you have to write the congruence criteria only. Understood? You have to write the criterion only. So, keep it in your mind that 4 criteria you have in your hand as a clue. Some questions are given here. See, the triangle ABC and DEF are 2 triangles where it is given, in the question it is given AC is equal to DF. That means AC is equal to DF. Understood? AC is equal to DF. AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE. And BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. Understood? Now see, in a question it is already given portion I have written only from your book. AC is equal to DE, single mark I have given there. AB is equal to DE, I have given double mark, and BC is equal to EF, I have given triple mark, so that you can identify the sides which are equal to the other triangle. Now these 2 triangles are congruent, you know that, but which criterion you are using here? Yes, you are using only side criterion. Side criterion. So the name of the criteria? Criterion is side criterion. Understood? This is the answer. Only you have to write the criteria name. How you have understood or not, this is only we have to look out that you can understand them or not. 3 sides are correspondingly equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. Then these 2 triangles are congruent by SSS or side criterion. Understood? You can write SSS also. Next question. Come to next question. Question is given. The drawing is also given here. RPQ. It is an obtuse angle triangle. RPQ is equal to ZXY. RPQ is equal to and ZXY. In these 2 triangles, ZX is equal to RP. Given ZX equal to RP. ZX is equal to RP. ZX is equal to RP. RQ is equal to YZ. RQ is equal to YZ. And angle PRQ, whatever the clues are given in the book, in your question I am writing this only. PRQ is equal to XZY, equal to XZY, is equal to XZY. So what things are given here, what clues are given as ZX is equal to RP, ZX is equal to RP. See the question, ZX is equal to RP. RQ, sorry, 2 marks are here. RQ is equal to 2 marks I have given already. RQ is equal to YZ. RQ is equal to YZ, and angle PRQ PRQ. R is the middle, so the angle is formed in the middle. PRQ is equal to XZY. XZY. These two angles are correspondingly equal. Now see the picture properly. See the picture properly. In these two triangles, what I have seen that ZX is equal to RP. I have marked single mark there, and RQ is equal to YZ. I have given double marks there, double marking I have given already, and PRQ angle PRQ, the angle made on R, on the point R, and X is equal to XZY, the angle formed at point Z equal. Then what criteria these two triangles are congruent? By which criteria you want to use to make these two triangles congruent? It is also given. Therefore triangle PQR. So PQR congruent triangle XYZ. Then in which criteria you want to use? Can you find any criteria? Side, angle, side. Yes, side, angle, side, or side, angle, side in both sides, clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you move, you can see that the criteria is side, angle, side. So the criterion is equal to side, angle, side. Understood? This is your the answer of this question. Or you can write side, angle, side criterion also. Understood? Side, angle, side criterion. Both are correct. Next question. Now come to question number C. Here you have two triangles are given in your book, LMN, FGH. In this form the two triangles are given, and along with this triangle 3 clues are there. MLN, angle MLN, this angle MLN is equal to FGH. That means MLN is equal to FGH. This angle and these two angles are correspondingly equal to each other. Another angle also given, NML is equal to GFH. Is equal to GFH, and ML, side ML is equal to FG. Side ML is equal to FG. Side ML is equal to FG. Understood? Now what happened when these clues are given? I have just marked on this triangle whatever they have given. I just according to their given portion, we have just follow this given portion, and I have marked the triangle. After marking, what you can see that these two triangles have two angles and included side of one triangle is correspondingly equal to the two angles and their included side. That means which criterion? Yes, angle, side, angle criterion. Angle, side, angle criterion. So what you will write? You can write A is A criterion. Understood? Come to the next question. Next question is question number D. Here you have given this triangle. See here EAB and DCB are two triangles where given clues are EB is equal to DB. EB is equal to DB. These are given in between given clues. One clue is this. AE is equal to BC. Very good. AE is equal to BC. Very good. These two sides also equal. And angle A equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree each. Angle A, angle C, both are 90 degree. Then, and they are saying that these two triangles are congruent. That means if I cut these two triangles and turn and place here, turn and place the hypotenuse over hypotenuse, equal side over this equal side. This side you have to place on this side and angle on this angle. Then you can see that these two triangles are exactly same measurement, equal. That means congruent. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Then which criteria you are using here? Can you remember? Right angle, hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are correspondingly equal to the right angle, hypotenuse and other side, one side of the another triangle. Then these two triangles are congruent by right angle, hypotenuse, side criterion. Understood? Today we are, yesterday we have learned only the criterion, and today we have used this criterion and how to use this criterion to make two triangles congruent. We are just using the criteria of the congruent triangle. Thank you students. I hope all of you have understand. Watch the video. Bye.